Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't noticed from the title and the stuff in the background, this is a Valentine's Day video. But not any Valentine's Day video. It's a collab! I'm so excited. This is my first collab ever on YouTube. I will link these lovely ladies all right here, and I will link their videos down below. For my video, I'm going to be doing two different looks for Valentine's Day, a girly girl and a vampy Valentine. Which one are you? And if you want to see how I get this look, keep on watching. And if you like just makeup in general and you like collabs and you want to see more collabs, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're coming from one of my lovely ladies channels, hi, I'm Caitlyn, nice to meet you. Please subscribe and I hope you like this video. So let's get into it. So like I said in the beginning intro of this video, I'm going to be doing two Valentine's Day looks. One is going to be super girly and the second is going to be vampy Valentine. So for the super girly one, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and Natural Love. I already carved out my brows because I knew brows were just going to be the longest part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using my Hard Candy Glamouflage concealer to prime my eyes, because whenever I do eyeshadow, I usually do my face first. And I usually just put the concealer and everything on top. Going to set with the HD Flawless Finishing Powder and Brightening Banana, yep, by Absolute New York. So I'm first going to go in with the Too Faced Peach palette, and I'm going to go in with my blend. I'm actually going to be going in with White Peach, and that's just going to go all over my lid. Next, from the Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to be going in with Peaches and Cream and Georgia. As you can tell, they're very, very loved. And that's just going to be the crease color. Now with the Natural Love palette, I'm going to go in with Lace Teddy and Honey Butter and put that into the crease. Just very, very light colors going into the crease. Delectable, just a little bit. It's a dark purple. Only going to use a little bit of Charmed, I'm sure, to again deepen up the crease. Cover, it is a dark color. It's like this brownish purpley color. I think I'm going to put in the crease Candied Peach. And then I'm going to go in with Just Peachy and put that into the crease. This one's a little shimmery. And now for the lid color, I'm going to be mixing my favorites in here, which is Satin. This is the Natural Love palette. The Satin Sheets, Kittens, and Cutie Patootie. I put that all on my finger because I feel like that's how I get the most pigmentation So we're just stuffing on the eyes right now. I'm going to do my face. I'm just going to show you what products I'll be using so I can just speed up this footage. And yeah, let's just get on to putting on the face. Beating the face. I don't know why they call it beating the face, but you know. So face is done. I'm going to go a little bit more into the eyes. Like I said, I think I'm going to add maybe Talk Derby to Me and Charmed I'm Sure. Put a little bit into the crease just to darken it up once more. For the lid color, I think I'm going to go into Bellini and Nectar. These two colors right there. Put Cutie Patootie and Kittens and Satin Sheets like I usually do onto my lid. Now I think I'm going to put that white color into my inner corner. And I think that's done with the eyes. I'm going to do mascara off camera. I'm going to do MAC Upward Lash, Upward Black, Black Extreme, and those are MAC, and Marc Jacobs Black Liqueur Omega Lash. So I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look. I think it came out very girly. I'm not used to using these types of tones, so I'm kind of happy that I pushed myself. But something's missing, obviously, the lip. So I decided to go with the NYX Lingerie in Bedtime Flirt, and come on, you saw this coming. Going to put the Fenty Glow Lip Gloss on top. So do it. So the girly girl look of my two looks is done. I'm really happy with it. I'm surprised that I could work with these colors, and there's no winged liner. Have you noticed that? And now onto some slow-mos and then onto the Vampy Valentine. Change. Now we're on to the second look, which is the Vampy Valentine. I have something in mind for it. I am planning on using, finally, this palette. I did use it in another video. I think it was testing out new makeup or something like that. I can leave it in the cards and all that, but this is by Profusion. This is the Sultry palette. Again, my face is blank and I just did my brows. I used the brow palette by Profusion, and you know what? I like them. doing my eyes first because the dark colors, I don't want it to go all over my foundation and everything. So I'm going to use this again for a base, and then I'm going to be setting it, and then we'll get on to it. And now I am just going to set it with one of these powders. I think I'm going to start with Ideal and just put that all over my lid. For the crease color, I think this color right here, Strong. I'm going to go in a Risky, which is like just this brown color, and put that on the outer. Go start using the purple, so they want to go in with the nipple. So since I wanted this to be like a purple look, I went into my collection. I'm pointing over there like you guys are right here. But going into my chocolate janky Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna go in with Cannon Violet. I don't think I've ever used this color in my makeup existence. And I'm gonna try to put this onto the lid and see what happens. Like I did in the first half of this video, I stopped the eye process and then I moved on to the face, so I think I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to split it out. It's going to be the same thing, but I'm just going to put it for you. So let's do this. Face is done. Going back into the eyes, I'm going to go back into the chocolate bar palette, and I'm going to go back in with Candy Violet. I don't think that was the thing. I went off camera because it was just annoying me. But what I did to get the actual purple onto my lid was I had a flat shadow brush, and I had a baby wipe, and I would wet the baby wipe, put it in the shadow, and then pack it on. So yeah. And now I'm going to do a winged liner. So this is just the L'Oreal Cotton Black one that I always use. It literally looks like I have a black eye, and I absolutely love it. Now time for mascara. I'm going to be using, again, the black Upward Lash. And let's just put that on. This is the Marc Jacobs. I don't know what it is. I'll put it in the down bar, but I know Lady Gaga uses it, and of course I had to buy it. So this is the finished product of my Valentine. I wanted this look to be all the sultry palette, but I did use some of the colors in it, and it's Valentine's Day, might as well use the chocolate bar palette, you know? So this is my second look for the collab. I hope you enjoyed. So we have come to the end of the collab video. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day collab with these wonderful ladies. I'm going to put their names right here and I'll link them down below. I just had so much fun creating these two different looks for the collab. I've enjoyed working with them, and check out their videos down below. But before that, if you liked this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out the lovely ladies down below and subscribe to them. And if you're coming from their channels, hi, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.